Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ring, full guide. Start by melting chocolate gently over a double boiler and stirring until smooth. Temper the chocolate if needed, then pipe a ring on parchment paper and chill briefly before adding fillings or decorations. Work quickly to prevent bloom, and store finished rings in a cool, dry place away from strong odors and heat for serving. Gather your ingredients before you start so the process flows smoothly. Choose 8 ounces of good dark chocolate or a mix of dark and milk for balance. Ready your fillings, such as ganache, chopped nuts, or jam, and have piping bags and parchment on hand. Clean, dry tools prevent seized chocolate and make shaping easier. Working orderly saves time and gives you consistent, professional-looking chocolate rings every batch. Quick recommendation while we pause. If you want an easy way to store and transport delicate chocolate rings, consider leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tight and stack neatly. They keep your decorations safe and prevent messes during travel or gifting. If you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can make more baking guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering a few techniques makes chocolate rings look impressive and taste great. Keep melted chocolate between 88 and 92 degrees F for proper temper and smooth texture. Pipe rings with steady pressure and consistent speed to achieve uniform thickness and clean edges. Chill the piped rings on a flat tray so they set evenly before you add fillings or decorative drizzle. Practice will improve your speed and the finish of each ring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.